So we've seen the AND operator in action. What about the OR operator? This too works inside an if statement. If we take the OR sheet inside our AND OR working file, we might let our pupils pass the year if they manage to at least pass one of the exams. So we can state our equals if, and then an OR operator works pretty much like the AND anyway, in that you put the name of the operator, then open brackets, and then each of the logical tests. Well, the first thing is exam 1 greater than or equal to 0.55, 55% being the pass rate, comma for the second logical test, which is our second exam, C2, greater than or equal to 0.55, comma, our third logical test is D2 greater than or equal to 0.55, close the round bracket for the OR, then comma. So if the OR statement evaluates to true, in which case any one of the values inside the OR statement can become true, then we've passed. If not, so effectively all of them are fails, then the fail is for the year as well. Close round bracket, return, and Jill has passed because she has one exam passed, exam 2. Let's replicate, and in fact everybody has passed because they've passed at least one exam, and you would have to really fail all of them. Let's take John down to 34 there. To fail the year, you would need to fail all 3 exams. What happens if they made it just that slightly bit more complicated, in that you had to pass the first one, but then you could pass either of the second 2. And this would not just get you a pass, it would get you a merit. So let's try that. Equals if, open brackets, and, because you must pass the first exam, so the first one must be greater than or equal to 0.55, comma, for the second logical test. But my second logical test I'm going to replace with an OR. So effectively I'm embedding the OR inside the AND. And we can say OR, the second one greater than or equal to 0.55, comma, third one greater than or equal to 0.55, close the OR, close the AND. So here we have a positive result if either of these is greater than or equal to 0.55, i.e. they've passed. So you can pass either C2 or D2, so exam 2 or exam 3, to produce a positive result, a true. But then you must also have passed B2, which is exam 1, to give a positive result out of this whole AND statement. If you get a positive result out of the whole AND statement, then you've got a merit. If not, then effectively you have no merit, but you may still have passed. Close the round bracket. So that's using an AND and an OR together, the OR being embedded inside the AND, effectively feeding one of the values of the AND statement. And we find that Jill actually has no merit. As we copy down, we have a merit for Sally because she has passed the first exam and one of the other 2, has in fact passed both of the other 2, so that still produces the positive result. John hasn't because he's failed the first, in fact he's failed all 3. So even if he'd passed the first one, he still gets no merit, but he has passed the year because he's passed at least one of the 3 exams. That's using the OR operator inside an if statement, and in fact on the second example there, using the OR operator inside an AND operator inside an if statement. And these statements can get as complicated as you want to make them, but you have to follow the logic through to make sure you're getting the end result that you were expecting.